In this video, I'm going to show you how to ship off graded Pokemon slabs, Yu-Gi-Oh slabs, One Piece slabs, whatever you might be sending off. I know a lot of you in this space who sell on Whatnot, on eBay and all that, you probably sell slabs. This is a tag slab. This will work for PSA slabs, Beckett slabs, CGC slabs, anything, you name it. So I'm going to show you how to properly ship them off. First of all, make sure you're getting a box like this. You can buy these on Amazon in bulk. I'll have a link down in the description below if you want to see them. I'm going to show you how to put these together. They're pretty simple. You're just going to kind of enclose this, pop that in, make sure that encloses. This is pretty simplistic, this part. Once that's done and that's done, make sure the bottoms kind of snap in there, as you can see here. And then you are pretty much done and ready to go after that. And of course, you will have your box. So let's get to the actual portion of the card and how you would put that inside the box. So put your box to the side. First of all, what I like to do is I put my slabs inside. This is actually one that I'm actually selling, it just sold on my eBay. And I sell all these on my eBay if you guys are interested in any slabs like this. So first of all, I already put it in a protective card or slab sleeve. Then I put it in another slab sleeve. And, of course, I have my signature. I like to give away a free card with all my buys. You then take that off, and you'll go ahead and put that in there. So now it's not only in one sleeve, it's actually in two sleeves. All right, the next step is where we get to the more padding of it. So make sure you've got some bubble wrap. You can get a good roll of it. Usually it comes pre-cut, mine do. So you would obviously pull that to its pre-cut stage, which is about right here. Have that come off, and very simple, put this in the center, about the center of the bubble wrap. You're going to then put that like this, fold it, pull this to the end, get you some just regular clear tape will work, and go ahead and tape that down. Once you've done that, you're ready for the next side. Go ahead and tape that side down, so take you a little piece of tape, go like so, and then you've got your slab. Now, I like to put the slabs on the bottom. So, like the back of the card specifically is facing the bottom. So, I would then put it inside our box here. All right. Once that's done, we're not done just yet as far as closing up the box and getting ready for tape. We're actually going to take another line of bubble wrap here. Of course, where it cuts off. Now, very important here, just go ahead and flip this and kind of fold it into a square or a rectangle shape, like so, as you can see here. And kind of put that on the top where it rests easy on the top. Then we can close our box. What this does is basically eliminates any possibility of the slab moving or getting thrown around inside the box. And I like to do the shake test. Shake the box. If you can hear it constantly moving or kind of rattling in there, you need to add more bubble wrap. If you can't, like so, can't really hear anything, it seems pretty good, we are good to go ahead and start taping it. Now what I like to do is use this stronger packing tape than the regular clear tape at first. And I go ahead and tape the bottom very good here where it encloses. And then once all that's done, you can actually go ahead and put your label on at this step if you want to. You do not have to wait to put the label on. You can actually put the label on as soon as you get the box done. And then what I like to do on my little corners here is I like to take this little clear tape and I like to pull it tight and kind of put the tape right there. Make sure it's tight to pull down those corners. And once you have that, the slab in question is fully secured, and that is how you ship safely slabs graded or slabs you're selling. Again, that can work for PSA, tag, any of those kind of companies that do grading, and that's kind of how I like to do it. And again, links in the description below if you guys want some of these boxes. I usually buy them in bulk off Amazon. Get you some, of course, good packing tape. Clear tape, of course. You can get some of these products from your local stores like Walmart and stuff like that. Dollar General, Dollar Trees. Bubble wrap, of course, always bubble wrap. You're going to always need bubble wrap on hand. I also like to go one step further. I do have some stickers that come with the bubble wrap where it says fragile. I do like to put that on there as well for the customer. Hopefully, the mail carrier in question, of course, will notice, okay, this is probably fragile. It doesn't need to get thrown around a lot. And I've not really had any issues like that thus far on eBay or whatnot when I ship off like this. So, that being said, again, that is how you ship off graded slabs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.